Hey guys, it's your boy Ash from the C Stabs on YouTube and also in discord.gg/nukes. Today I'll be showcasing my checker and also how to run it with proxies from bubbleproxies.com. Link in description for everything you will need in this tutorial. Let's first go over some loyal people that said hello. Alright, now downloads, checker, click on that and download. Save it. Extract to checker. Go to checker. Make a new file called proxy.txt, of course. Paste in your proxy and save that. Open config.json. Go back to Discord and edit any channel in your server or one you're admin in, and create a webhook and integration. Paste it in between there. Go back to the file and click this is your path. Click to the right of your path, type CMD and hit enter. Type GO space RUN space main, so MAIN dot go. I don't know why I said that really confusingly. But basically now you just want to wait until it loads. Alright, and then now it's loaded, you can do 4 character names, 4 letter, and list.txt. Unfortunately, this is the outdated source code. If you want every feature, like custom starting, go to this file. However, today's tutorial is focused on the source code, which you can edit and customize to have whatever you want. Press 2 and hit enter for the 4 character mode. And as you can see, it's working just like that. You do need one file other than this though. It's called go.dev. I should have showed this at the start. You want to click on download on this and just get the one for your platform. And go through the install on that, guys, and you should be all good. Apart from that, you might need Visual Studio Code, but it's not really required, as you can open the config with Notepad, like so. The tool is completely open source and you can read every little part of it. Yeah. Have a good one, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part about this video and why. Peace. Ash out.